Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video, I am going to talk about how to set up unit in AutoCAD. So let's start it. So shortcut of the unit command is UN and it is classified into metric system, imperial system. Meter, centimeter, millimeter are the example of metric system. Feet, inches are the example of imperial systems. However, we should prefer metric system or millimeters while working on drawing. It is more accuracy than other units while working on site. Now let's talk about how to set up the metric unit. So let's follow it step by step. Step 1. Type the UN in command windows. Second step. Select unit type decimal from the type drop box. Third step. Select precision like 0.0 or 0.00 from the precision drop box. And step 4. Select the unit scale millimeter, centimeter, meter from the insertion scale drop box. Now I am going to show you this step in AutoCAD. So let's start it. So here we are on AutoCAD screen. So before I start the drawing, we have to set up the units. So let's follow the step to set up the units which we have discussed. So let's set up the metric units. So type UN, which is the shortcut of the unit commands. Press the enter. As we can see over here, dialog box of drawing unit is opened. Now select decimal from type, unit type. So select it. Now come to precision. So select 0.0. Now here come to insertion scale. So select millimeter from here. I recommend you to select millimeter. So it would be more accuracy as compared to other units while working on real site, and click on OK. Now I am going to update the metric unit from dimension style manager. So let's modify it. So type D, which is the shortcut of dimension style command. Press enter. Now we are on dimension style manager dialog box. So click on modify and click on primary units. Select unit format from this box, this drop box. So select decimal from here and precision value 0.0. Now click on OK, and after modification click on set and close it. So we have set up the metric system unit. So now let's check it whether it is set up or not. So now I am going to draw the rectangle having length 200 and width 100 mm. So let's start it. So REC is the shortcut of rectangle command, and press enter. So here we can see specify the first corner point. So I'm going to specify the first corner point over here. Now we have a specify other corner point. So we have option area, dimension and rotation. So now I'm going to draw with dimension. So type D and press enter. So now here it is demanding specify the length of rectangular. So now I am going to give the value of length of rectangular. So it's a 200. Now another. So here specify the width of rectangulars. Now I am going to give the width value of rectangle. I gave the 100. So here Now we can see here our rectangle is drawn. Our rectangle is drawn. Now I'm going to check the dimension of these sides. So let's check it whether it is in metric units or else. So we have a dimension command. So type DLI for linear object, dimension linear, which is the shortcut of dimension linear, and type and press the enter. So here we can see specify the first extension line, origin, or select the object. So now I'm going to select the object. So I'm going to measure this side from here to here. Again press the space to repeat the command, dimension linear command. So press here to measure the width of rectangle. Now I'm going to zoom in it to see the length of rectangle. So I have given 200 mm value, which is we can see over here 200 mm, and come to width I have given 100 mm. So it is showing 100 mm. So as per this we can say our unit which we have set up is correct, which is in metric system. Now let's talk to how to set up the imperial units. So let's follow the steps. So first step, type the UN in command window. Second step, select the unit type, architectural or engineering from the type drop box. Third step, select precision value, that is 0 feet, 0 inch from the precision drop box. Step 4, select the unit scale, that is feet and inches from insertion scale drop box. Now let's set up the imperial unit in AutoCAD. So let's set up it. So type UN, which is the shortcut key of units, and enter. Again we have a dialog box for drawing units. So select engineering from this one and select 0 feet dash 0 inch from precision value and come to insertion scale, select inches, which is, and select inches from insertion scale and click on OK. And again we have to modify the imperial unit in dimension style manager. So go to dimension style manager to set up it. So type D, press enter. Again we are on dimension style manager, so click on modify to edit it. So here we are on again primary units. So change the unit format into engineering and select precision value 0 feet dash 0 inch and click on OK. So after modification, click on set current and close it. So to check the imperial units whether it is set or not, so now I am going to draw the rectangle having length 4 feet and width 2 feet. So let's draw it. Type REC, which is the shortcut of rectangle command. Press enter and specify the first point. Here you can draw with the help of area, dimension, rotation. So now I am going to draw with dimension. So type D over here. Now specify the length for rectangles. So I'm going to type 4 feet. So 4 feet. Press enter. Now again I am going to give the value of width value for rectangle 2 feet, so 2 feet, enter. Here now we can see our rectangle is drawn. Now I am going to check the dimension of side, so whether it is in imperial format or metric format. So let's check it. So let's use the dimension linear command. So DLI, enter DLI and press the enter. Select the object from here to here. I'm going to check the length of rectangular. Again, to repeat the command, press the space. Now I'm going to check width value here. So I have given the length of rectangular. So I have given length of rectangle is 4 feet and width of rectangle is 2 feet, as we can see over here. Our unit is in imperial format, which is in feet or inches. So our setup is correct. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys are like it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Please like and share my video. Thank you very much. See you again in next video.